yoga for common cold and cough. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling, inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, and hold your breath 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Namaskar, good morning everybody. Me certified yoga teacher Shiva Pokhrel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga posture. That name is yoga for common cold and cough. Many people are suffering from in this time, especially cough problems. Climate is also going to change in our country. Therefore, the environment is also very bad because of lots of vehicles, and rainfall is not coming from the sky. Therefore, there are lots of problems coming in our daily life. If you are suffering from such types of problem, definitely you can relieve by practicing some yogasana, some home remedies, tips and techniques I will provide in this video. If you are a newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, like my video and comment on the comment box. If you feel this video is very useful for your friends, colleague and loved one, you can share this video in any social network. Let's start. We all know that common cough and cold is we are suffering from nosing, sometimes coughing, sneezing, wheezing many times. First of all, find out what is the cause behind it. Your immune system is bad, your environment's climate is also bad, you are suffering from any kinds of allergy, dust allergy, dairy product allergy, soya product allergy, any types of allergy. First of all, you can find out. Then you can take some precaution from this problem. You can take some home remedies, kanda, concoction. Among them you can take ginger. Is a very excellent anti-inflammatory things. Ginger you can take tulsi leaf, you can take pan leaf, and you can take black pepper. Then you can boil on the water nearly 10 minutes and take this kanda 2 times in a day. This is also very good for our immune system boost, and we are feeling very easy for chest paining, for our nose running, such types of problem. And other is also apply some home remedies or especially Ayurvedic tips. You can take haldi, you can take ginger, and you can take honey, and you can make paste and you can take. This is also very excellent practice. And in the same you can take haldi, ginger, then you can together with jaggery you can use the honey or jaggery. That is also very good for our body. And then you can take warm water and take a little bit salt, and you can practice gargle. Gargle is also very good for our chest paining, especially throat paining, and it's also very good for common cold. Then you can practice and take a very hygienic foods. You can focus on the especially lemon is also very good. You can take lemon juice is also very good. And you can take amla, vitamin C is also very good in this time. And in this time when you can take lots of rest, sleep properly. When you woke up, you can practice some yoga asana, your daily routine, and you can take a warm bath. Bathing is also very good to maintain our body's function. Then you cannot stay on the fan. Definitely first and foremost important thing is that fan is very bad in this time. Do not sit on the AC. Do not directly keep your head on the fan area. You can cover your head in the time of sleep. Then you can apply much more things in your daily life. Then you can practice some yoga asana. Then you can avoid some foods as well, outside food, and you cannot eat very in this time non-vegetarian foods, and you cannot take very outside of food, especially bakeries item, cake items, and others items as well. You can avoid such types of things in your daily life, and especially practice some yoga asana. Among them, first and foremost important is you can apply Jal Neti Kriya 2 times in a day. Jal Neti Kriya is excellent to improve nasal passage, especially nasal polyps and sinus hollow cavities, to cleansing. Irritation is very bad for in this time. Therefore, you can practice Jal Neti Kriya. After completing your Jal Neti Kriya, you can practice Kapal Bhati Kriya. You can practice Kapal Bhati Kriya, forcefully inhalation and exhalation, totally focus on your forehead area. Therefore, it is also very good. I am going to teach you this Kapal Bhati Kriya, seated any meditative yoga person, forcefully inhalation and exhalation, totally focus on your forehead area, nose area, and throat area, and then definitely your nasal passage is also opening. Let's start. This is enforced to improve such types of to cleansing in our nasal hollow cavities. Then you can practice 3 times in a day. After completing your that Jal Neti Kriya, then you can practice the massage of your head area. You can practice Kapal Rantra Dhauti Kriya to cleansing your facial muscles. Then you can apply some yoga asana. Chest opening yoga postures are very excellent yoga asana in this time. Therefore, you can practice first and foremost important yoga posture is Ustrasana or camel pose. To practice this yoga asana, is seated on the kneeling down position. From here, keep your hand on the just behind your leg. From here, inhaling, your middle body is arched up and hold your breath, and exhaling, coming on the starting position. Let's start. Inhaling 1, 2, 3 and hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling 1, 2, 3. This is the first and foremost important yoga posture for common cold. Then you can practice the Parvatasana. If you are not able to sit on the this Padmasana, you can sit on the Sukhasana. Otherwise, preferably you can sit on the Padmasana. Slowly keep your hand on the mat, palm facing up. From here, erect your spinal cord, erect your chin. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Slowly exhaling, coming on the center. You can practice this static variation, dynamic variation, or ratio. Especially you can practice static variation, is very good for in the time of common cold. Then you can practice slowly other lie down yoga asana. Slowly you can lie down on the yogic manner. From here, chest opening yoga posture. Among them, you can practice the Dhanur Bakra asana, is also very good yoga asana for common cold. Let's start. Fold your both leg and try to collapse or touch or. And from here, inhaling your arch back and the resemble of the Dhanurvakra. Therefore, its name is called Dhanurvakra asana. Inhale, exhale. First of all, balance your breath. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come on the center. You can practice dynamic variation as well. This is also very good yoga posture in the common cold. Then you can slowly lie down on the back on the supine position, and bridge pose or Setubandha asana, Kandara asana is also very good. Keep your both hand on the heel. From here, inhaling your arch back. The resemble of this yoga asana is bridge or Setu. Therefore its name is called Setubandha asana. This is also chest opening yoga posture for brain as well. Slowly inhaling 1, 2, 3 and hold your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly exhaling 1, 2, 3 and slowly relax on the any types of yoga asana. And then you can practice other very important and very beneficial yoga posture for common cold is you can practice Chakrasana as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly and relax on any types of yogasana, Savasana. You can relax on the Savasana. Slowly lie down on the right side, and in this time especially you can take steam with water, warm water together with you can take keep on the any herbs or any types of you can keep on the tulsi leaf as well. That is also to improve our nasal blockage as well. Therefore you can practice or taking very important thing is you can warm water together with lemon and black pepper, pinch of black pepper. That is also very excellent practice. And then you can make the one kind of especially cough. You can take 5 leaf of guava and some 5-6 piece of black pepper and some clove is also bring 5-6 clove and paste, make a paste and keep on the water, and you can boil that water 10 minutes and take that concoction is also very excellent improvement of your chest paining, improving or neck paining, improving of common cold and suffering from any kinds of an allergy. Neem is also very good for to combat with allergy. Therefore, thank you for watching my videos completely. If you are newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, like my video and comment on the comment box. We'll meet next day with next video. Bye bye, namaskar, have a nice day. Bye bye, have a nice day.